Hi friends out there, we are the heads of Retro Stock. We have two more heads, Pranav and Ashif. I am Payal Gala.
Myself, Aniket Patil.
We will be giving you some glimpse about Retro Stock.
Retro Stock has been an exciting event since the beginning of time. We are fully loaded to delight you with an enjoyable and a knowledgeable experience relating to shares.
Where you will be standing in the virtual trading ring as the holder of shares or the purchasers of shares of the most reputed companies like TCS, Reliance, Infosys, etc. Use your trading skills to deal with shares in the most lucrative ways.
Just go for it and let this share market experience delight your corporate personality. Only limited entries are available since it's a one-day event.
Please be attentive, try to keep your ears open.
Now we are going to tell you some rules regarding the event.
There will be 2 rounds conducted. It's a single participation event. Don't worry, get your friends participated with you. Do some good friendship deeds.
Calculators are allowed, no manipulation is to be done, and the decision of judges will be final.
What's the entry fees?
It's only 100.
Then why not have a Frankie? After consuming a Frankie, who gives you participation certificate, plus who gives you an experience of a virtual trading ring?
Plus Frankie will only feed your hunger for a limited period of time. But this share market experience is going to completely satisfy your trading appetite.
Point to be noted, my lord. So indulge yourself in a thrilling mock stock game where you have nothing to lose.
Be shrewd, be impulsive, and trade.
Trade.
Hi everyone, I am Saili
Hi, my name is Khushbu.
and we are here to tell you about our event that is Corporate Charisma, which is basically a corporate ramp up.
So our event not involves ramp walk, but it also has various rounds such as talent show, quiz rounds, prop shows, etc. So this not only enhances your personality and increases your confidence level, but it also gives you a platform to showcase your talents.
It is 2-day event and the rules and regulations for the event are entry should be in pair, that is boy girl, girl girl or boy boy. Western formals are compulsory on both the days and the decision of the authority regarding the costume will be the final decision and the entry fees is rupees 150.
So guys, you think you have what it takes to outshine the rest, then please participate in our event and show the power of corporate dressing.
Hi, I'm Shintu Matthew.
Hello guys, this is Darshana Khandelwal and there are 2 more heads, Abhizar and Tapasya.
So it's all about visual merchandising. Visual merchandising is the backbone of retail industry. So our college has come up with this event, visual merchandising, wherein you will be given a 4x4 tile space and you have to display your product in the most attractive manner. क्योंकि जो दिखता है वही बिकता है.
So guys, here I am to explain the rules and regulations of our event, Visual Merchandising. Visual Merchandising is basically a one-day event and it has only one round. So you have to bring your product by yourselves and you have to register your business model or product by 30th August. iCards are compulsory as usual. No vulgarity of products such as cigarettes, alcohol, etc. which are strictly prohibited in the college. Participating fees will be 200 rupees per group and each group will have 3 to 6 members in it.
So guys, pull up your socks and be ready for the most enthusiastic event.
Which will not only enhance your communication skills and convincing power with the customers, but will also give a clear idea about what customers exactly want.
Hello everyone, my name is Jagruti Naide
Myself Aniket Nakwa. There are 2 more heads, Aditi and Kim.
and we are here to tell you more about our event that is PPTPS.
The PPTPS, as you know, the PowerPoint presentation is an important element in each and every student's life, and we have tried to plan an event in such a way that only not to increase your knowledge about a particular topic, but also increase your presentation skills. The following are the rules and regulations.
There are 2 rounds and in first round the topics will be given to you and you have to participate in a pair.
The PPT should contain 8 slides, and you are given the time of 8 to 10 minutes to complete your presentation, and formats are compulsory.
And the entry fees is rupees 100.
कॉलेज में इंस्पिरा के इवेंट में कुछ तो ब्रांड वॉर करके एक इवेंट है, क्या है वो?
हाँ, ब्रांड वॉर करके इवेंट तो है. दिस इज़ एन इवेंट जिसमें तुझे अपने प्रोडक्ट, खुद के प्रोडक्ट या फिर कोई वेल नोन प्रोडक्ट को ब्रांड करना है. देख, आज का मार्केट कंपटीशन पे चल रहा है, तो ब्रांड वॉर एक ऐसा इवेंट है जिसमें तुझे दिखाना है कि सपोज तू कोक या पेप्सी को ले, उसमें जैसे कंपटीशन होता है, तुझे वैसे ही अपने प्रोडक्ट में कंपटीशन लाना है. ये कंपटीशन को तू एज अ टफ वॉर भी ले सकती है अमंग ब्रांड्स.
ओके, सो ये वही इवेंट है ना जिसमें ग्रुप्स पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैव टू कम इन अ ग्रुप एंड usually there are 3 to 4 participants and उनको कुछ 5 to 7 minutes मिल जाए to present their brand, right?
हाँ, बट हमारे एनसीसी के इंस्पिरा में हम एक सरप्राइज राउंड भी रख रहे हैं, तो तुम अपने प्रॉप्स या अपना प्रोडक्ट जो भी चाहते हो वो ला सकते हो, एक स्किट बना सकते हो या कुछ भी कर सकते हो और एनैक्ट कर सकते हो.
Okay, so the rules of this brand draw is that participants have to mail their brand description, that is product name, brand name, and they can't use any slang or abusive language. And other than this, the entry fees of this event is 200 rupees, that is 50 rupees per person. Okay, so that's it about brand war. I'm Emma.
Myself Lauren, and our other two heads are Ronnie and Naman.